An exercise that you can use to really strengthen a lot of your body systems, and it works flexibility as well as strength. It's kind of a putting it all together exercise, is the walking lunge. So just like a traditional lunge where you're stepping forward, bearing that weight on the front leg, coming down, touching that knee, if you can. If you're not quite there, that's okay. And then we're swinging through and going right to the other leg. So it kind of looks like this, where we're stepping, coming down, touch, swing through, touch, swing through, touch. One variation you can make on that as you're doing the walking lunge is you can do more of a forward flexion through the hips. So not through your upper body, so like this, but leaning forward through your hips, keeping your back straight. As you do that, so as you step forward and you lean into it like that, it allows you to put a lot more of the force through your glute. And so it's not quite as uncomfortable if you're having a lot of knee pain with it. Again, you want to load this up with as much weight as you can control. You want to make sure your knee stays right over your toes in terms of the sideways alignment. As you progress, you may want to start where you're not really advancing over your toes at first. As you get stronger and more flexible, you can start advancing over your toes, and that's totally fine to do. Just depends on what you want to work on and what areas. So if you're limited in ankle range of motion or knee range of motion, that's actually a good way to start building that range of motion. So very versatile exercise. There's a lot of ways you can modify it depending on what's going on with you. And so if you need help with that, have any questions about ways you can modify it for you, don't hesitate to hop on a call. We'd be happy to talk through that with you and see what the best strategies are for you at maximizing your like output from this exercise.